Hi students, now we are going to see the elementary row and column operations. Elementary row operations already we have seen 11th standard, that means R1 interchange to R2, R1 implies R1 minus 2R2, R3 implies R3 minus 3R1, similarly and so on. So one is a elementary transformation. Next, row echelon form. Row echelon form means that one is a triangular form. Triangular form. Now, reduce the matrix in row echelon form given. We have to make 0. We have to make 0 in this place. That is A21, A31, A32. We have to make. Now, using elementary transformation method, we get this matrix. Now, see that one, 0. Now, triangular form. This is a row echelon form. So, very important condition for row echelon form is if all zero rows occurs as bottom rows of the matrix, that is more zeros occur as the last row of the matrix, and if the first non-zero entry in any lower row occurs to the right of the first non-zero entry in the higher row, that means, see that one, the first non-zero entry in the third row occur to the right of the first non-zero entry in the second row. Similarly, the first non-zero entry in the second row occur to the right of the first non-zero entry in the first row. And see the example. The third row first non-zero entry is on the left of the first non-zero entry in the second row. The matrix is not in row echelon form. Similarly, the second row, the first non-zero entry in the second row occurs to the left of the first non-zero entry in the first row. The matrix is not in row echelon form. Okay, important condition. And another one is rank of the matrix. And another type is rank of the matrix. Rank of the matrix, two types. First one is a minor method. Minor method means the rank of the matrix A is defined as the order of the highest order non-vanishing minor of the matrix A. It is denoted the symbol row of A. The symbol is row of A. The rank of a row matrix is defined to be 0. Listen. Now, it's a very important condition. If A is an m by n matrix, then row of A less than or equal to minimum of m comma n. That is, suppose 2 by 3 matrix given, row of A less than or equal to minimum of 2 comma 3. Equal to 2. Row of A less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means equal to 2 or less than 2. Equal to 2 or less than 2. See the example. 3 by 3 matrix given. Now 3 by 3, row of A less than or equal to 3. See the determinant value. Now equal to 0. Equal to 0 means the row of A not equal to 3. Less than 3. Row of A less than 3. Next, take 2 by 2 matrix. That is second order minor. Second order minor means this one is also a second order minor. 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 Now take any one of 2 by 2 minor. Now simplify 3 minus 2 equal to 1 not equal to 0. So rho of A equal to 2. Now second order minor, any one of second order minor not equal to 0 means rho of A equal to 2. Suppose second order minor fully 0, second order minor fully 0, at least one of Aij, at least one of Aij non-zero, then the rho of A equal to 1. Now exercise we can clearly see this. Now A equal to, another example, A is a matrix of order 3 by 4. 3 by 4 means rho of A less than or equal to minimum of 3, 4, that is 3. That is equal to 3 or less than 3. Now see the 3 by 3 matrix. 3 by 3, third order minor. Third order minor means, now this one is also a third order minor. This one is also a third order minor. And this one, this two are also a third order minor. And this one, take third order minor. See that one, the 4 third order minors are 0. Next we want to find second order minor. Second order minor, take this second order minor. Take this second order minor not equal to 0, rho of A equal to 2. Rho of A equal to 2. This one is a minor method. Another one is a row reduction method. Row reduction method. In this exercise we will see. Now exercise 1.2. Exercise 1.2. First sum, find the rank of the following matrices by minor method. One matrix given, A equal to, A is a matrix of order 2 by 2, then rho of A less than or equal to 2. Mod A value find equal to 0. Equal to 0 means rho of A not equal to 2. Rho of A equal to 0 means rho of A not equal to 2. Now rho of A less than 2. Less than 2 means now at least one of Aij. At least one of Aij is non-zero. Then rho of A equal to 1. And second sum, A equal to, take this matrix. A is a matrix of order 3 by 2. 3 by 2 matrix. Rho of A equal to the minimum value 2. But rho of A less than or equal to 2. Now 2 means second order minor. Second order minor, take minus 1, 3, 4, 7. Minus 7. Simplify 7 minus 12. Minus 5 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Then rho of A equal to 2. Rho of A equal to 2. And third sum, A equal to, matrix given, A is a matrix of order 2 by 4. 2 by 4. Now minimum value 2. Then rho of A less than or equal to 2. Less than or equal to 2 means second order minor. Find second order minor. Second order minor, this one is a second order minor. And this one is also a second order minor. This one is also a second order minor. First take second order minor in this one. Now 1 into minus 6. Minus 6. Here formula minus plus 6 equal to 0. And again take this one. This second order minor. Minus 2 minus 1 minus 6 minus 3 plus 6. Here also plus 6, formula minus 6 equal to 0. Again take another 2 by 2 minor. See that one. Minus 1 plus 0. Now we get not equal to 0. Already I told at least one of second order minor not equal to 0. Then rho of A equal to 2. Get the answer. And the fourth sum, matrix given 3 by 3. A is of matrix 3 by 3. Upper rho of A less than or equal to 3. Now find third order minor. Now take the determinant value, expand by first row. Expand by first row. 1 here minus 4 plus 6. Next here minus 2, formula minus plus 2. Simplify, leave this row and column, minus 2 plus 30 and take 3. Next 2 minus 20. Simplify, plus 2, 28 minus 18 and simplify 2 plus 56 minus 54 equal to 4, not equal to 0. Not equal to 0, then row of A equal to 3. Next take another matrix, A equal to 1 matrix given. A is a matrix of order 3 by 4. 3 by 4. Minimum value 3. Then row of A less than or equal to 3. Minimum value 3 less than or equal to 3. Now find third order minor. Third order minor, 4 third order minors is there. Now first take this third order minor. Now take this third order minor. Now expanding by column, first column. Then here 2 zeros is there. We can easily find using column. Now expand by first column. Now here 0, here 0, here 8. Now leave this row and column. Simplify, 4 minus 4 equal to 0. And next take another 3 by 3 matrix. Another 3 by 3 matrix. Simplify using first row, expanding by first row and simplify. We get 2 not equal to 0. Not equal to 0. Then row of A equal to 3. Row of A equal to 3. Any one of 3 by 3. Any one of 3 by 3, that is third order minor not equal to 0. Then row of A equal to 3. Second sum, find the rank of the following matrices by row reduction method. Row reduction method means using elementary transformation. Using elementary transformation method. See that one, A equal to one matrix given. Now we have to make 0 in this place. We have to make 0 in this place. Then first we want to 0 in this place means R2 implies R2 minus 2R1. This one multiplied by 2 and subtract these two values, we get 0. And similarly here we want to 0 means now multiplied by 5 and subtract these two values, we get 0. Now here 1 is a very important place. So fix a 1. So when we can easily find this simplification. Now R2 minus 2R1. For your easy simplification, R2, 2 minus 1, 3, 4 and 2R1. Now R1 multiplied by 2 and subtract. Change the sign, subtract the value 0 minus 3, 1 minus 2. 0 minus 3, 1 minus 2. And also R3 minus 5R1. R3 value. R3 value and R1 multiplied by 5. 5 and subtract the value, we get 0 minus 6, 2 minus 4. 0 minus 6, 2 minus 4. Okay, now we get 0 in these places. Next we want to make 0 in this place. Then see the two numbers multiplied by 2 in this place and subtract, we get 0. That means R3 implies R3 minus 2R2. R3 implies 2R2 multiplied by 2. Multiplied by 2 and write and subtract this value and change the sign, subtract this value, we get 0. See that one, 0 triangular form. The last equivalent matrix is in row echelon form. row echelon form means triangular form. Triangular form. It has two non-zero rows. Two non-zero rows means, listen, here a row 1 non-zero entry is there means the value, that is a rank is 1. Here all non-zero entries, the rank is 1. Here also non-zero entry is there, rank is 1. Here all 0, the rank is 0. Therefore, two non-zero rows, a row of A equal to 2. And the second sum, see that one. Here also we want to find this. We have to make in this triangular form to make 0. R2 implies R2 minus 3R1. R2 minus 3R1. Here R3 minus R1. Here R4 minus R1. See that one. R2 minus 3R1. 3R1 means multiplied by 3 and write. And subtract the value, we get 0 minus 7, 5. And here R3 minus R1. We can directly, means directly subtract this value. 1 minus 0, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 2, minus 4, 3, minus of minus plus 1, 4. And R4 minus R1, R4 minus R1, 1 minus 1, 0, minus 1, minus 2, minus 3, 1, minus of minus plus 1, 2. See that one. In this R3, 4 is a common value. Then R3 implies R3 divided by 4. First row no change, second row no change, and the third row simplify 0, minus 1, minus 1, and R4 also no changes. See that one. Next we have to make this place 0. 0 means, see that one. Here multiplied by 3. Here multiplied by 3 and subtract. Now R4 minus 3R3. R4 minus 3R3, and using R4 minus first row, second row, third row, only change R4 only. R4 minus 3R3. R4 minus 3, 0, minus 3, 2, and 3R3. 3R3 means 0, minus 3, 3, and subtract the value, minus, plus, minus. We get 0, 0, minus 1. We get 0, 0, minus 1. And next we are going to see in this place. In this place to make 0. Here now subtract this 2. Here multiplied by 7 and subtract. R3 implies 7R3 minus R2. 7R3 minus R2. 1, 2, minus 1, 0, minus 7, 5. Here 0. Here multiplied by 7, minus 7, plus 7, 0. And here multiplied by 7, 7, minus 5, 2. And fourth row no changes. Next we want to make this value equal to 0. 0 means, see that one. Here multiplied by 2. R4 implies R3 plus 2R4. And subtract this 2, we get 0, 0, 0. The last equivalent matrix is in row echelon form. It has 3 non-zero rows. Therefore, row of A equal to 3. Row of A equal to 3. See that one. First non-zero row, second non-zero row, third non-zero row. Here one element is there means it's also non-zero row. அப்போ 3 non-zero rows, row of A equal to 3. Row of A equal to 3. And third one, A equal to matrix given. Here already I told, here the first place one is there means very easy to solve this problem. Then R1 interchange to R3. R1 interchange to R3. R1, R3. R1, R3 interchange. These two rows are interchange. Interchange. Now here we want to 0. 0 means multiplied by 2. Here already your minus is there. Then R2 plus 2R1. Here 3. R3 plus 3R1. Simplify and we have to write and solve. Okay, and simplify, we get the value. And similarly R3 implies R3 minus 2R1. That means we want to make this place equal to 0. This place equal to 0. Then see that one multiplied by 2. Then R3 minus 2R2. And simplify, using this we get 0, 0, 0, minus 4. Here also non-zero entry is there, rank 1. Here also non-zero entry is there, rank 1. Here also non-zero entry is there, rank 1. But 3 non-zero entries. It has 3 non-zero rows. Row of A equal to 3. Thank you, students.